Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use the point of sale module in Odoo. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on the main page or on my dashboard for my database, and I have the point of sale module installed. You can install it through the apps menu if you haven't already, but it is also one of the modules which you can select while creating your database. So once you have it, just click on it, and here you'll see your points of sale. I have one open, and you can see them on the dashboard. You also have your orders, which you can manage from here, your products, reporting, configuration. So let's go, for example, into products, and here you'll see a list of all your products. You can create a new one and call it whatever you want. I'll just name it test 2. It'll be a good, or under goods, I'm going to track the inventory, quantity on hand, let's say 150. I'll invoice it based on ordered quantities, set the price at 50, cost is going to be 25, category is going to be, for example, deliveries, reference empty, barcode empty, all of that jazz. Then you can set up all the other sales information, and once you're done, just click save up there, and when we go back into our products menu, it's going to be there. You can also manage any orders that you get through the orders section right here, have sessions, payments, etc. And you also have reporting orders and everything else. You can report anything you would like, but other than that, that is pretty much it. You can also set up your payment methods over here, presets, coins, bills, points of sales, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.